Nowadays, everyone prefers doing the things which gives you some beneficial outcomes, and suppose you can convert your Instagram into a money-making platform, and using Instagram will become damn interesting too. So in today's video, I'm gonna tell you that how you can make money using Instagram. And trust me, this video is gonna be very lit and you guys are gonna enjoy this for sure. So with that being said, yo, what's up guys, Divyansh here, and if it is the first time here, make sure you press the subscribe button along with the bell icon for the future notifications. And now without any further ado, let's move straight into the video. You all must have seen memes, quotes or other pages uploading stories on Instagram which promotes other pages, and they charge a specific amount for it. Like suppose there is a meme page which is having 500k followers and the admin of that page charges 1000 rupees for a paid promotion story and 1500 rupees for a post. Then suppose if that page gets 1 to 2 orders a day, then the admin of that page can earn 3000 rupees in a single day. And this is how all the meme pages generates revenue on Instagram. The second method is widely used by a lot of Instagrammers is by making Instagram a shopping platform. Well, officially, Instagram doesn't offer e-commercial features, but what people do is that they just make a page of their business. Like suppose I am taking an example, Fashion Paradise is an Instagram page. Here you get a lot of fashion products and clothing. They represent their page in the form of posts and stories and by mentioning the pricing details in the post description. Apart from that, they provide their WhatsApp and Paytm number in their profile's bio. So the viewers can easily connect to them and ordering can be done by Instagram direct message or through WhatsApp. This e-commercial page can be of any type like fashion, tech products, cake items and a lot more. The third way of earning money through Instagram is by doing paid collaboration. Like you must have seen influencers and few public figures posting some product promotional posts on their Instagram account. What really happens is that company approaches the influencer or the public figure for sharing about the product on their Instagram page, and the company pays a good amount for this on the basis of popularity and the total number of followers. Also, like I said, that nowadays Instagram is becoming a shopping platform too. A lot of people are using advertising and managing their services through Instagram. Like the freelancers uses Instagram for a specific service. For example, vector art maker, logo and intro maker, content writer and a lot more. They represent few samples on their Instagram page and they do the service by charging a specific amount. Also, like I said, paid promotions through story of a different Instagram page. A lot of page admins are earning money by paid swipe ups for a specific page for getting more traffic or for advertising. And the charges for different promotions are different. Well, this was the first episode of earning money through Instagram. And in the second episode, I'll cover my tips for earning money using Instagram. For now, you guys can follow the things I said in today's video and can make Instagram a more productive platform. So I hope that you all have enjoyed this video a lot, and guys, please make sure to follow me on Instagram at @techparadise_ for future updates and for exclusive giveaways. Also, if you have any question in your mind regarding this video, please put a comment below in the comment section, and also give this video a thumbs up and do subscribe to our YouTube channel for more videos on tech. I am Divyansh and I'll catch you in the next one.